Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you shortly on how to use future derivatives trade signals on your BingX app, right, on short position, which means on sell position, right. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on the notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, let's get to the video. Right here is your BingX app. So this is your home page. This is how it looks like. So right now you're going to be heading to your futures right here. You're going to be heading to your futures right here. You click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it's going to look like. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. So right here is our Telegram channel. As you can see, this is the signal that has been dropped right here. You can see crypto pair uni USDT direction short, which means sell, risk 1%. Always risk 1% of your capital. As a trader, always risk what you are comfortable losing. You don't want to be risking what you are not comfortable losing, right? So leverage 1 to 3x leverage, you can see right here. So right now let's go to our BingX app to search for our crypto pair and also set our leverage. Alright, so right here on our BingX app, if you want to search for any crypto pair, you tap right here. You tap right here. So let's search for uni USDT. You tap on your search bar right here. Let's type in uni. So as you can see the uni USDT right here. So I'm just going to click on it. Once I click on it, this is what you'll be seeing. So right now let's set our leverage. If you want to set your leverage, you tap right here. As you can see, it's on 20x. You bring it down to 3x because 3x is the recommended leverage for new beginners traders, right? So after that you click on OK right here. You click on OK. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel and search for our entry. As you can see right here on our Telegram channel, you can see our entry right here. So right now let's go to our BingX app to type in our entry, right? So right here on our BingX app, if you want to put your entry, this is where you're going to type in your entry. So right now let's type in our entry right here, which is 7.575. So after typing your entry, this is where you determine how much you're going to be risking for this trade. Say let's say you want to use $100 for this trade, or you want to use $50 for this trade. So right here is where you'll be putting in the amount of USDT you want to be using for this trade. So always remember to set your take profit, guys, because as a new beginner trader you want to be setting your take profit and your stop loss, because that is your defensive zone. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel to look for our take profit entries. So right here on our Telegram channel, you can see the take profit zones right here. You can see the take profit zone right here. So let's go ahead to our BingX app to type in our take profit. Right here on our BingX app, we are going to type in our take profit right here. So you just click on it and there you go. So let's search for our stop loss. So right here you can see our stop loss right here. You can see our stop loss right here. So let's go ahead and type in our stop loss on our BingX app. So right here on our BingX app, you can go ahead and type in our stop loss right here. So now after confirming everything that it's okay, after confirming that everything is fine, then you can go ahead and click on short right here. Once you click on short, your orders will be written right here. Till market reach this order price you placed on this trade, then it will trigger and it will be on position right here. So this is the simplest way of using future derivatives trade signals on your BingX app, right? Alright, if you're still watching this video up to this time, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on the notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. And if you're watching this video, you don't have an account with BingX app, no worries, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. There will also be a link in the description below to our free Telegram channel where we share free trade signals every single day. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.